Guy, what's the problem of this vehicle now?
I don't know.
You don't know as how?
Doesn't want to go now.
What the hell is going on here? Why are you breaching the extradition?
Don't be. It is what it is.
Lieutenant Chimto was a very good soldier, a passionate one at that. She will continue to remain in our hearts forever. Please accept our condolences.
My name is Ohadike. I am coming for what is mine.
Are you sure this is your investment?
One of them.
Come withdraw! Withdraw!
guys were late.
Sorry, baby. Let's move.
Use this.
Okay.
Get them down, all of them.
Moku join you do the dancing. Mugu.
He's not around. Please, I will.
Where is your fucking husband?
I will call him.
You call him?
I will call him, please. Don't kill me.
Hi, honey.
Yes, darling. There's emergency.
Emergency?
Can you come immediately?
Is that right? I'm on my way. I'll be right home.
Right away. Please.
It's okay.
I don't have a problem with you. Yeah.
Please, I swear he's coming.
You're a beautiful woman. My name is Ofwaka Lupama.
Kill me. Please. Please don't kill me. Please, I'm pleading. Please. Please.
Clean this mess while we wait for Onwa.
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, it's gonna be a bloody war in a way. Brutality. faces. No retreat, no surrender. When rugged meets weaken.
Nobody open the gate. What happened? Move. Who are you people?
Move! Hey, I'm Chief Owan. No man woman gives me order.
What? When you're talking.
Is that you mad?
Move! And they say move, you they talk, you they crazy. Come move.
Brutality, rugged faces. No retreat, no surrender. When
breaking news. Your wife is dead.
No! Why did you do this? Why?
It's a good time.
You bastard! That woman was pregnant! Why could you do anything like that?
It's okay to cry for the dead because your family will soon cry for you too.
No.
Are you done crying? Now relax, let's get into the business of the day. Why did you betray my late father? I had everything while I was in Malaysian prison. But as a nice guy, I will give you an opportunity to tell your own side of the story. Don't tell me about the king killing my father. I already know about that, okay? So what exactly happened?
I did not kill your father.
So who did? What happened?
Your father became too greedy. He woke up one morning suddenly. He wanted to be the king of this kingdom. And as if that was not enough, he came up with a sinister idea of killing the Igwe and his entire family. How could you commit genocide just because you want to assume power and that didn't even rightly belong to you? How could you think of committing genocide? I mean...
Okabiki, what is wrong with you?
How could you come up with such an idea of killing the king? Are you deluded or something?
Did I not tell you that that throne is my birthright?
Oh, keep your mouth shut. Your birthright, that's how? What has come over you? This your inordinate ambition will take you to your early grave. Listen to me, my dear friend. I will advise you, as a brother, think of something else. I'm not part of this evil.
You are my bosom friend. We shouldn't be at loggerheads in this matter. Instead, we should team up and kill this king. I have to rule this kingdom.
Kihu? Our bosom friend? Because of inordinate ambition? Now listen to me. I can see that you're very deluded. Now you get out of my face and never, I said ever in your life, come back to me with such stupid, evil idea. Now move.
I will rule this kingdom till eternity, no matter what it takes.
I wish you luck if you survive this mutiny. Fucking bastard!
That was exactly what happened. He forgot that the Igwe had a daughter who was a senior military officer. He was captured and executed. I did not kill your father, Collins. Please.
Okay. Who leaked the secret?
I did.
Eclair.
And you said you were not the one that killed my father. Let's even agree that my father was being good. Fine and good. Was that enough reason to kill an innocent man?
Please. I'm sorry. I'll give you anything, all the money in the world. Collins, I have money. I'll give you enough money. Anything you want. Please just spare my life, I beg you.
Will all the money in the world bring back my late father?
Like I said, Collins, the deed has been done. We may have wronged you. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay. When you get there, apologize to my father, okay?
For where I dey? Who you be? You dey disappear from my bobo front. No man, no man. Come, go down. Hey, play.
Rich men and juju na 5 and 6. We know this is your house, but can you just slow down on the disappearing or appearing?
Collins, you're my son, please spare my life. I beg you. Anything we can agree on.
Why will I spare your life when you took the life of my father? This is better drama.
The man chop.
You need your native doctor number.
The man chop well.
Jashi Koko.
The man chop and plenty.
Very small.
Izagaro was Yaga. Look at tie this man with cement or block. Throw him inside the river. I go there and make sure of no see as whether you get as you get juju for gun, no whether you get juju for water.
Move him!
Get out!
No surrender. When I get the team, it's wickedness. It's gonna be a bloody war in a way. Brutality.
But my uncle must really have some guts. What kind of conspiracy is this? Why would he say he wants your throne as compensation? For what?
I acknowledge the fact that he trained me at school. But I have repaid that favor. I have built him a duplex that he lives in right now. I have sponsored his son to Malaysia. And in fact, that son is arrested in Malaysia right now. And I'm the one making attempts to make sure he's been freed and returned back to the country. I wonder what else he wants from me.
To think he's not even scared of me. Father, you know what? If my uncle dares you again, just put a call across. I will send troops to him. Is they mad?
That's what he needs. No, that's true. That's exactly what he needs.
What am I even waiting for? Wait.
No, Mazi Okafor's son has beaten more than he can chew. So I want you to go to Okafor's house and invite him here.
Go down! Everybody, down! Say down! Hey. Down! Get down! Get down! I said go! And they said go down in the play love. You want fast forward my job? Come on, get down! Okay, get down! Get down!
Who are you?
Do you all realize you are in the palace?
Oh, now palace. I've been teaching a club.
Me, I teaching a church.
Come on, go down! Please, please, please. Don't harm us, please. I'm begging you, please. Oliver, get down!
Please don't shoot. I promise you, we'll cooperate with you. Please don't shoot.
Fine boy. Please.
You have not told me what you want in my palace.
I want cooperation. We are all going to leave this palace peacefully and quietly. Is that understood?
Cooperate to do what? What?
Get up and move!
What have my Igwe done? Don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Who is next? Move!
What have you just done?
Move! Young man, move! Come over here! Move! Move! Move!
Every day in a man's life na stress. If you no be keeper, you go be attacker or striker. You must do one thing as a man. So as a lion, what I be if you trespass me? You go trabaye.
No retreat, no surrender. When we'll get the team, it's wickedness. It is gonna be a bloody war.
Oh no! Oh no! What happened to you? Oh no! Oh no!
No retreat, no surrender. When we'll get the team, it's wickedness. It is gonna be a bloody war.
Adike, please spare my household. Please spare the royal household, please. Please don't kill us, please. Please don't kill us. I'm begging you, please don't kill us, please. Please, I beg you, please.
Shut up! You're making noise.
Tell your husband to do the needful. Tell me what I want to hear.
I cannot spill my own blood. I did not kill your father. My own brother, I did not kill.
I've been making you to understand this for the last 5 hours. Believe me, I did not kill your father.
If you did not kill my father, so who did?
You said so.
No. Chief Onwa killed your father.
Chief Onwa killed my father.
Yes. He killed him in his sleep. He did. Please, just spare our lives.
How dare you! I will strangle you. How dare you kill my brother? I will strangle you. I'm gonna strangle. No, you cannot go free. I will strangle. Oh, please. Stop.
You're a very stupid king, Bara. I did what I did for a friend. He was coming with diabolical powers to attack you, to eliminate your family.
Yeah, you killed my own brother. I was just waiting for my brother to repent. Now you took my blood. You took my blood. Do you think you know how to kill them? Let me tell you.
Wait. You killed Chief Okonkwo?
Of course, yes, that's what he did.
He came to attack me in the night with all the forces, demonic and diabolical forces. We fought spiritually, and I ended him for your good.
My goodness.
Why
would you do that? Why?
Self-defense. And I'm not regretting doing what I did for a friend, for the family.
Leave this kingdom. I said leave this kingdom right away.
Igwe.
Leave this palace right away.
Igwe, I will leave your palace, but I will not regret doing what I did for a friend. To save your family.
Okay, my elder brother. You say you're saving me?
Yes.
Leave my kingdom, I say. Leave this palace right away.
Like I said, I will not regret doing what I did for you.
You're talking about doing rubbish for me, friend. You killed my brother. Please. You killed my only brother. You killed my brother.
Collins, I'm begging you. You are my godson. Yes. I trained you. We took you as our son. Please, tell us what you want. We will do it, but just spare our lives, please.
Anything at all. Just anything.
No, just spare our lives.
What do you want? What? Just tell me. I'm the king.
You are not the king. I am the new king of this kingdom. And my name is Ahamadike.
No, this is my son, the heir to the throne. Yes.
Heir to the throne. Igwe.
No. Wetin dey shout? Wetin dey shout? Dey make noise.
How could you? How could you? I'm shouting.
Lolo!
Father, and beg for forgiveness.
Which kind of play be this one?
Wetin be this one?
I don't understand. Igwe. Wait first, wait.
Igwe, get up.
They never shoot you, they fall. Igwe, stop now. Stand up, make gun point you first before you fall.
Don't collect bullets. Which one?
Igwe, they quick that you. Igwe, stop this thing. Stand up first, eh?
If you like say Igwe, they get BP, oh. How do you get away BP?
Igwe, where BP?
Imagine, oh. They quick die. Come. I know they like this kind of play. I beg. Make gun point you first before you fall. Stand up now.
Igwe, they ask him. Mother, Father, they sent me to help you.
You're almost there. Do not give up.
Yes, we are with you. We are leading you. Act fast before it's too late.
Yes. Act fast.
You mean this is the third time you're having such a dream a day?
Yes, third time.
In a day. Third time. This only means that you need to see General as soon as possible.
I need to go home. I know it's not professional, but I need to go home. I feel something is wrong somewhere. Because... Hello? I went on a mission with my squad. They killed Onowu. And they took my family away. Collins? That's in 3 days' time. Collins no fear. He gather morale, reach where my family dey, no fear. I'm not surprised, Sha. Make nothing just happen to my sweet family, he go bloody. What's the meaning of this? You know what? Relax, do not be afraid. I will take the fight back to the kingdom. Just relax. Colin is too small. He is too small. I will handle it my way. Everything will be under control, okay?
Got your back. Got your back.
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat.
I've ever been a clever for Igwe. Who don't please? Igwe again level. Igwe are very too much. Igwe, you're very too much. Kai. If not be say we then sell house for throw for air. Igwe. Igwe.
Fine brother. Bad brother. Who they move?
People that don't know say Igwe don't enter.
Collins, what is going on? I thought you invited us here for...
Shut up. I know you must be wondering where the king and his family members are.
Hey!
Huh?
I don't off them.
What? Hey! Too bad.
I hate noise. When I want to see their dead body, I hate noise. We don't have time for that. I called this soft meeting because I want you people to make me the king of our kingdom.
Sigin.
This is my birthright, and I have fought for it. So the hour has come. Make me the Igwe, and that makes my babe automatically the Lord.
Of course.
Collins, we will not. You are not a royal blood.
Is there not the royal blood? Who speak that rubbish English first? They don't cut anybody. In blood, they come out blue.
Blood supposed to show blue to show say it be royal blood, Abi. They crazy.
Royal blood. See, warm that man up.
Confirm, na so it be.
But I don't feel I'm happy.
Who challenge go collect?
At the top, you the top. Like Jelly be gone with carry. Any other question?
No question.
So let's proceed. By the power on me, as your king to be, I hereby appoint you as the new Ono. It's our Ono now. So I am commanding you, Ono, come and crown me the king of our kingdom. And don't waste my time.
Make it fast.
Yes, sir! Make them fast!
Hey. Come wait, our new Ono. Who put that rule, say, before the crown person king, they must kneel down?
Our ancestors.
Our ancestors. Do they live around here?
No, they are dead and gone long time.
Change them today. I want to be the first king where they go crown when I stand. So crown me like this. No matter how we are. What do you mean?
Collins, you will not escape this, you bloody civilian! You will not!
I thought she's dead.
Obviously she's not.
When I know of her. Follow me.
Sure. Mama.
Mount this man.
Every day in a man's life, now stress! Go after him, don't stop! Every day in a man's life, now stress! Now drop your machete. No way! You are following me to the palace. Now!
Really?
Yes. Okay, fine. Now get me.
Get me!
Every day in a man's life, na stress. If you no be keeper, you go be attacker or striker. You must do one thing as a man. So as a lion, if you trespass me, you go trouble ye.
Chika, where did you pick him from?
Mom, he's my boyfriend. I met him in prison. I told you about him.
Oh, he is the young man you spoke about 3 months ago.
Mom, please, can you do something? Is he dead? Do something, please.
I am searching for his soul. This your boyfriend is a bloody murderer. His hands are stained with blood upon blood.
Mom, please. Stop talking and get to work. Do something, please.
I see death. But I can stop it because of you.
Good. Get to work already. We've lost men. I don't want him to die.
Gentle waters. Cleanse his pain. Wash his sorrows through his veins. Light of life and light above. Restore his spirit through your love.
Collins! Collins! Oh, sorry, Collins, sorry. Sorry, you're alive. Collins, you're alive. You're alive. Mom, thank you. Thank you so much. He is alive. Thank you.
Where am I?
You're in my place. In my mother's house. She just brought you back to life. Collins, you're alive.
Young man, you are welcome. You must be hungry and tired. Chika,
Mom,
get the chef to give him something to eat.
Alright, Mom, thank you. Thank you. Don't worry, I'll get you something to eat. You're in my mother's house. You're going to be fine. It's just a matter of time, okay? Let me get you something to eat.
I want water.
Okay, I'll get you water. Please be strong, Collins, please. Be strong, okay?
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, it's gonna be. Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, it's gonna be a bloody war in a way.
Mother, father, they sent me to help you.
You're almost there. Do not give up.
Yes, we are with you. We are leading you. Act fast before it's too late.
Yes. Act fast.
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, it's gonna be a bloody war in a way. Brutality.
Doctor, is he going to survive?
Well, let's see how it goes. First, we must have to remove the bullets in his body.
Just go ahead and remove it now. What's keeping you?
It's not just. We need 350,000 naira deposit. And you have to get police extracts for we to do the needful.
Don't be. Hey, doctor. See, I don't have that kind of money. Where will I get it from? 300 naira. Doctor, see, forget this hell. It's just a fixie. I don't have that money. What do we do? Papa, I warned you. I warned you not to come back to this village. I warned you countless times, but you refused. You said that place is not for you. Now you're here. Other elders escaped. But see where you found yourself. What do I do right now? Hey! Collins. Ohadike. My classmates. My old classmates. You get mad. Shoot my papa. I never get your time. I'll be using your matter later.
Young man, there's no time to blame anybody now. We must carry on with the surgery immediately. That's if you want your father to stay alive. There's no time left.
There's trouble everywhere. Things I don't even pick up. This getting well. Doctor.
When ruggedity meets wickedness, it is gonna be a bloody war.
Let's eat.
No longer interested in the food.
What do you mean? I brought this for you. You need to eat.
I lost appetite.
Babe, please. Come on. Oh, come on, you need to eat. Water. You requested for water.
I'm sorry.
Listen to me. You're going to get better. And you need to eat to stay alive.
I can only get better when I kill the idiots that interrupted my cognition and take what dreadfully belongs to me. I had a dream where she was killed.
She is alive. She killed Nelly, Toof, Caesar. I don't know about Liar. Maybe he has been killed too. I don't know.
Hey! Shoot me. Yes, go ahead. You can't shoot. Now take my message back to your soldier princess. That I, Lion, does not give room to bastards. Okay? Every day in a man's life na stress. So if you no be keeper, you go be attacker or striker. You must do one thing as a man. So as a lion what I be, if you trespass me, you go trouble, yeah.
Never! Let's fight man to man. If I win you, I will drag you on the floor to the palace.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Nice. Fight. Fight me. Go.
You're under arrest.
The police is under arrest. Don't move. Mom, why do you want to eat vengeance? For what exactly? Your uncle did not kill your father. You have killed the one that eliminated your father. And you killed innocent ones too.
It's not all about vengeance.
It is about becoming the ruler of Ama Kingdom.
Yes.
Just like your father told you when he came to see you in the prison in Malaysia. You are surprised, I know.
My mom is blind, but she sees beyond what anyone can imagine.
You have to be fortified for you to be able to kill the whole royal family.
I'm ready.
Chika, take care of your friend. He has to heal. But this is not a fight for babies.
Your mom doesn't know me.
There.
Where's my brother?
He shot him there.
Where's his corpse?
I don't know.
Find him.
Today is a very sad day in our kingdom. We don't have crown prince anymore.
Of course, and that is very, very painful.
Now what are we going to do? The throne cannot remain empty in the next 7 days. 7 days is gone already.
Have they found the corpse of our crown prince?
Princess Chimto was called to come and confirm the dead body of a royal entity found in a bush. That's where she went to. I'm aware of that. Good. We must be prepared. We must be ready for the fight that is coming our way. That bastard of a son can never come back here to fight us over our throne and our kingdom. We must stand our ground. We must defend our kingdom.
Of course, my brother. We have things at hand already. But my question now is this. Are we going to make the princess, our princess, a queen? In case what we are hearing about Prince Obinna is not false. This is what we need to handle, to tackle as it stands now.
This is a very big question. We must have to do something now. Hence, we all know that a woman cannot rule the land of Ama Kingdom.
It's too painful. Oh, very, very painful.
The princess cleared the bill.
Wait, doctor. Are you for real?
Yes. But there is complication.
Complication?
Yes.
Doctor,
bullet affected the spine. And that caused the implication. I'm sorry your father may not be able to walk again.
No, doctor. Don't say that now. That he won't be... Doctor, it's not possible now. You can't be saying this now. There must be something you can do now. You see, it's not going to...
There's nothing anybody can do about it. Sorry, my dear. Take care.
I couldn't even dare what took me to that palace. Initially, I refused to go to that place until my friend Amechi convinced me.
I said I don't want to go to the palace. I don't even want to go there. Look at what is happening now. That bastard son of a bitch called Collins is there, claiming he doesn't know what happened. Up till now. In fact, the best thing for us would have been to go to the police straight and arrest him. Get him arrested.
Maybe he has something important to tell us. Let's go.
He has nothing important to tell anybody. He's a fool. Listen to me. Look at the situation. Eh? All his claims are fake. And now, look at the matter very carefully. Do you know who is dead? The Igwe and his entire family were kidnapped and killed already. Eh? And a boy that had been in the prison for over a decade now appeared from nowhere and occupied the palace. Is that why you want me to go? Is that why you want me to go with you? I will not go.
Anele, let us go and find out what is going on. Let us go. All the elders are there. Let's go.
I'm not interested.
Don't be scared.
I am not interested. That's why you see me on these slippers. Allow me to go home and maybe change it if you want.
You are wearing, it doesn't mean, well, this is our village. Yes, let's go. Don't be scared.
You are the one forcing me. You are the one forcing me.
I agree. Let's go.
Amechi.
Let's go. For the love of our community. Let's go.
Which community are you loving?
This
one. You are just giving this guy nonsense rule. It's okay. He's a stupid man. Give him the pay him with the price he needs.
But it's our son.
It's not your son, it's a bastard son.
No retreat, no surrender. When we'll get the team, it's wickedness. It is gonna be a bloody war. It's 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 a bloody war. It is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody.
Igwe! I've made a clear road for Igwe. Who don't please? Igwe, get level. Igwe, you're very too much. Igwe, you're very too much. Kai! If not be say we dey inside house, I for throw for air. Igwe. Igwe.
Fine brother. Bad brother. Who dey move?
You feel like I don't know say Igwe don't enter.
Collins, what is going on? I thought you invited us here for...
Shut up. I know you must be wondering where the king and his family members are.
Hey!
I don't off them.
What? Hey! Too bad.
I hate noise. When I want to see their dead body, I hate noise. We don't have time for that. I called this soft meeting because I want you people to make me the king of our kingdom.
Sigin.
This is my birthright, and I have fought for it. So the hour has come. Make me the Igwe, and that makes my babe automatically the Lord.
Of course.
Ma. Collins, we will not. You are not a royal blood.
Is there not the royal blood? Who speak that rubbish English first? They don't cut anybody. In blood, they come out blue.
Blood supposed to show blue to show say it be royal blood, Abi. They crazy.
Royal blood. See, warm that man up.
Hey! Confirm, that's what it be. But I don't feel I'm happy.
Who challenge go collect?
At the top, you talk. Like jelly be gone with carry. Any other question?
No question.
So let's proceed. By the power on me, as your king to be, I hereby appoint you as the new Ono. It's our Ono now. So I am commanding you, Ono, come and crown me the king of our kingdom. And don't waste my time.
Make it fast.
Yes, sir! Make them fast!
Hey. Come, wait. I want you to know. Who put that rules before the crown person king? They must kneel down.
Our ancestors.
Our ancestors. Do they live around here?
No, they are dead and gone long time.
Change them today. I want to be the first king where they go crown when I stand. So crown me like this. No matter how we are. What do you mean?
Collins, you will not escape this, you bloody civilian! You will not!
I thought she's dead.
Obviously she's not.
You know offer. Follow me.
Sure. Mama.
Mount this man.
The moment the princess entered the palace, everything changed. The god doer started. We were all running for safety. I don't even know how this bullet got me. Hey. Oh, Madiko.
Collins has beaten more than he can chew. I will find him.
No.
Papa, I will find him.
And I say no. You cannot find him. That young man Collins. He's a demon. He is diabolical and dangerous, very dangerous. You cannot find him. Let it go. Please. Let it go, my son. At least I'm alive. Yes, I'm alive.
You are alive, but you can't walk again. Papa, do you know what that means?
It is you that doesn't know what that means. Is this not even better than sleeping in the mortuary?
Papa, I don't think you understand. You don't.
So, it is you who do not understand what I mean. It is better. I'm still alive. I can live to tell this story. Let it go.
I'll find him.
No. No, my son.
You have to calm down. Please.
I'm fine. I'm trying to be fine. My worry is my brother is missing. The prince of Amma Kingdom is missing.
Like I said, take it easy. Calm down.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It is gonna be a bloody war.
I am so excited. And I'm very, very proud of you, my daughter.
Thank you, Father.
Honestly, we are so proud of you.
Thank you, Mother. And I'm proud of the both of you. And I want to appreciate the both of you for allowing me follow my path. Thank you for not discouraging me. It has always been my passion to save and defend this country. Thank you so much. I love you all.
We love you too.
My officer.
My salute.
My lieutenant.
My crown prince of Amma Kingdom.
You can say that again. So, tell us about your experience as a lieutenant.
Mom, please, let's leave this discussion for another day, okay? My lieutenant, where is your phone? Can I see some pictures of your colleague? Who knows, I might find my wife there.
Okay?
Mother, father, they sent me to help you.
You're almost there. Do not give up.
Yes, we are with you. We are leading you. Act fast before it's too late.
Yes. Act fast.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
You are smart. You don't whine. I know your secret.
You interrupted my dream. Manama wagi no wine to mama jibo. I swear on my father's name, I will crush you. I will kill you and take what rightfully belongs to me.
In all that you do, make sure you defend our name. Be the king if I don't succeed. Rule the land. Be brutal. Be evil in the heart. Be mean. That is how you crush your enemies. My own flesh and blood has betrayed me.
Wheelchair boy, you are awake, hastening for revenge, remembering all that your father told you in the prison. A lion's heart is determined to crush and eat his prey. I can feel your soul. He yearns for war. Oh, poor little boy on a wheelchair.
You are blind, yet you see the past and the future.
That's what makes me a goddess. You are a very dangerous being. Smart. Unpredictable. But I can predict you.
Will I win the battle ahead of me?
The road is slippery and tough. Hard as a rock. But your heart and anger can break it. Yes.
I don't care what happens. I must avenge my late father's death and kill that bitch and take what rightfully belongs to me. That I must do at all cost.
You are a very smart boy. Very, very smart. You are a king.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It is gonna be.
You will be fortified. I promised you that.
I need him to work, mother. You can do this thing.
That will require human blood at this point.
Then let's get it done. Get it done, mother.
I want to be able to stand up on my feet and walk again. So that I can kill all my enemies, including that bitch, before taking what rightfully belongs to me.
So be it. We will do it.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
How did it go?
It went well. By morning, everything will be set.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, baby. Let me take you in. Let me take you in.
Your mom told me he's your ex.
Yeah. Just an ex.
And the ex. I hope he didn't touch you.
No, I promise. He didn't. Trust me, babe. He didn't. Yeah.
Right. I believe you.
Look, babe. You're going to get up. And you and I will rule this kingdom. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on.
When we'll get the deep its wickedness, it is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
Jacob, you walked into my home and demanded for men. My ex-girlfriend. You asked me for men and I gave you able-bodied men. Strong men. Where are they? Where are my men?
Scorpion, please. Let's put our past behind and get this job done.
What job are you talking about? When I'm asking you about my man.
Enjoy yourselves, guys.
I swear down, man. Very sweet.
We have more in the kitchen if you want more.
We are doing good cook.
Really tastes nice.
You guys move, oh. You guys move, oh. When I chop, oh. I will chop if you move, oh.
Abi.
Why you clear now? When you be so cold now, you tell me say this, that.
You never chop.
When I chop.
Just every move, my body they always say.
You know, no. No, now.
There you go.
Love.
I
go love.
No be lie.
They give me meat, they give me rice.
The guy they me. And if you look in face, you don't say they me. Yeah, guys. Ibara by Cheche.
If you know be keeper, you go be attacker.
Mad,
or
mad.
Striker.
Mad.
You must do one thing as a man.
That's so.
You understand?
That's so.
So men there with women, you know they feel the concussion.
Now everywhere goes soft now.
Normally
now.
Collabo follow for promo.
That's so.
Lonely at the top.
Bang, 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 bang.
You know this thing now. Wahala for uno get big.
Your own now.
Go fear.
Suffer head for uno get big.
Provide my men. And here you are, demanding for 7 heads. 7 fresh heads, so that your so-called king can stand on his feet. Chika, you think I do not know your plan? I know your plan. You want to abandon me and go rule a certain kingdom with your so-called king. Isn't it?
Let's get down to business.
You will get the 7 heads by tomorrow.
I trust you. How about the men?
I have 2 men for you. Just 2.
I'll wait for your call tomorrow. Thank you.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It is gonna be a bloody war.
Thank you for always coming through.
You are really in love with this prisoner. And you want to save him by tomorrow.
Yes.
What happens to me then?
Scorpion. I fell out of love with you. I am sorry.
I get it. I understand. It's nothing.
Thank you for always understanding.
You have a loud mouth, Mom. Why did you tell Collins that Scorpion is my ex-boyfriend?
Do you also want me to tell Collins that you slept with Scorpion this night? You know I saw everything. You know me.
Mom, you need to stop talking too much. Stop! You talk too much and it's not good. Listen,
That was the only thing I could do to get him to relax his mind and agree to give me the herbs and movement for the fight.
I know you. I know what you can do, my girl. Risk everything just to get what you want.
I am doing this for my man. And please, let this be the last time you discuss my past with my man. I don't like it.
You do not have any past worth discussing. Chika, go to bed. I'm going to do my prayers.
We'll get the deep into wickedness. It is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
This is not a military fight, Lieutenant Joe. I want to take it personal. I would like you all to stay out of it.
Lieutenant, let me help you. Let me come in. Just allow the men to bring him down. That bastard is a chicken. We can.
I know Collins is cooking himself to come back for me. But trust me, I want to handle it my way. Yes.
It's okay then, if you say so. But just in case you need my help, let me know. I'll be over there protecting you.
Definitely.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
How's your father doing?
Bad. Very, very bad. Shattered. Battered. My princess, everything bad you can think of. My heart is aching.
I know, but you have to relax, okay?
The kingdom is mourning. Everyone is grieving. We need to come together and find this idiot and end him once and for all.
I feel your pain. I feel the pains of everyone. But everything will be fine. Here, take care of your father with this.
Thank you. My princess! Wait! 3.5 million? Oh God! My princess, this is for me. It's too much.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's alright, stand up. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
I'm happy right now. Can I go? Thank you. Yes.
Hey, Scorpion. Where is it?
You know, see, I'm Scorpion don't suffer. They inflated the soft. Now why are you so rude? Why are you so rude to Scorpion? Abiziga, she no rude.
Overrule the warrior boss.
You no fit touch Scorpion body.
No fit grab Scorpion, hold Scorpion. Scorpion will be your number one. Wetin dey sup before your king? Scorpion don't dey. Hug Scorpion first. Now Scorpion dey here.
Guy, I beg, you need to calm down now. It be all this one. Bring the stuff, come out now.
Ziga, no we go now. I think you know what. Wetin me this one? No, wetin me this flashing for? Why you dey flash me?
Scorpion, why you dey shout now?
Why you dey flash me? No be my body be this. Why you dey flash me?
Why you dey rush? You do the rush. You calm now.
No wahala na Ziga.
Yes, boss.
For this your king, I don't deal. Through the dark times, na me deal. Now Scorpion dey game for you. You sharp, abi you no sharp?
You dey okay?
Oh yeah, na Ziga. Oh, clear.
Hey,
now.
wait. How far the men now?
Babes, I had a very hectic night. See my night? Too hectic. Don't worry me. If you need to conversate, you know where to find me. Ziga, no clear.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
Sorry.
Close it.
He delivered by his word.
Tonight, you're going to walk with your legs. And more powers will be added to you.
I can't wait to stand on my feet again. And the rest will be history.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
Hey.
No.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry. Ndiche Ibem. You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anele.
Are we here to speak about the bastard or about making someone a king? Because I heard a voice talking about making someone a king. I want to warn that in my own case, I'm already incapacitated. You people that are strong must make sure that you do everything humanly possible to capture that idiot before he goes back, retreats, and comes back to chase us.
Ichanele, we are saying the same thing. The villagers have declared him wanted. The police are looking for him, even the army. This is a very serious case. A very serious one. But again, we have a tradition.
Yes. Yes. That is what we are saying. A tradition. We have few more days left A king must be enthroned. A king that will help us bury the king and his family. Yes.
What he's saying is this battle needs army. I mean soldiers, battalions of them. Why is the princess acting very cold? Iche Biko, I beg you in the name of the gods, leave the princess out of this for now. She's in pain. She's depressed. Please, let us just give her some time. Please.
An adage says, a man whose house is on fire does not pursue rats. Maybe an aboko. I don't know the choke. Eterobo eterazo. Please, can someone help me fish out this animal? Fish out this bastard that has rendered me incapacitated. This idiot that has. Yes, Aramuku.
But that is what we are saying. That is exactly what we are saying.
We, the youth of our kingdom, are with you. We are ready for this fight. Oh yes, we are ready.
My princess, this fight is not just for you. The prince is my bosom friend. A very good friend to the youth of this kingdom. We will not forgive, neither forget. It is a taboo, a very big taboo, to waste a royal blood. We will make sure we hunt your cousin brother, Ohadike Collins. We must get him down.
My princess, leave this fight for us. We are all out. Ohadike has men. Let them come. We are waiting.
Ohadike is a bloody civilian. But I will show him a little bit of brutality. Relax your minds. Chima, take your friends home. Everything is under control.
I must avenge my father. There's no backing down. Let's go.
When we'll get the deep its wickedness, it is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody.
Chima Obi, you have tried. Just prepare and go back to your base. You heard me. Prepare and go back to the city from where you returned. It is important. Please, allow your sister to take care of me. She will do it better. Oh?
I am not going anywhere. I am not leaving this kingdom for any reason. We are all waiting for Hadike to come back.
Why are you this stubborn, Chimobim? I said prepare and go back to your base. I have a reason for saying this. I am an elder. What I see lying down here, you might not see it even if you stand up. Get prepared. I want you to leave here as soon as possible. Please, my son.
Chima, I can't still believe the father I left here and go to the market. And the news I had that my father is paralyzed. I can't believe it. Whoever I did this to Papa must pay dearly. You should go back without you fighting back. No, don't
mind Papa. Don't mind Papa.
No, my brother must fight back.
Will you children stop this?
Ha!
Now listen to me, young man. I am your father, and I want the best for you. I need you go back to your station, please. How I wish both of you were with me at the palace. If you had seen the way this beast called Ohadike disappeared, the way he vanished from the palace, you will know that this one is not a human being, not ordinary human being. He's a vampire. Please, I need you out of this community. Yes, as soon as possible. Prepare and leave, my son. Leave. Live in peace. Isn't is equal to the task. She will take care of me.
Papa, Chima must fight this battle. He's the full son of this land. He will fight the battle. So that next time nobody will dare again to touch you again next time. That so-called Ohadike must pay for what he did to you. Brother, don't let this lie. Do something.
Leave him at that. Stop.
You must fight for your father.
Listen, will you stop at this moment? Chimobi, go and prepare and go to your place.
What is keeping this guy now? Just for how long?
I'm keeping you now. Now the matter has been this, so I don't carry on home. Calm down. Already. Everywhere broke. So how it be? What's the way forward?
Tonight, we shall assemble. This is your spot now.
No problem. Why?
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, it's gonna be a bloody war in a way.
The boys are ready.
Good.
Always deliver, right?
Yeah. I trust you. Thank you.
I always knew he will come back. Future queen.
I have to be on my way.
Ruggedity meets wickedness, it is gonna be a bloody war. It's 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 a bloody war.
Who are you? Who are you and what are you doing here?
Shut up!
Listen, you are in the wrong place. You know who I am? My name is Scorpion. And no one messes with me and goes scot-free.
Your girlfriend. How do I meet her?
Oh. You are the soldier princess, happy queen, eh? I'm not telling you anything.
Answer the damn question and stop bluffing. I hate repeating myself. Listen, I am a badly wounded soldier. My job lost since I find them and never see them. If you do anything, you go collect the wine. What the fuck is she?
Not telling you anything. I ain't telling you shit. I don't care about you.
You have 3 counts. Only a fool thinks he's brave at this point. 1, 2.
Ruggedity meets wickedness, it is gonna be a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody
Boss!
It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war. It's a bloody war.
Boss, you did it!
It is gonna be a bloody war.
Boss! No, 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 no! Ah! No, don't do me this one! My boss! My boss! No, no, I go collect one by one! Ah! Ah! Shit!
Hello? You know your way to the palace. I gladly welcome you. Brave men don't run from battles, and they don't talk too much. Bloody civilian.
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, let's go.
Cannot stop my dream. I must rule this kingdom because it's my birthright. No man born of a woman will take what rightfully belongs to me, talk more of a woman. I will crush you, Onyami, and anyone that tries to stop me from taking what rightfully belongs to me. Mamo no de isaja pala. Mamo no de isaja pala.
What's up?
Sometimes you need to speak into the atmosphere. You get why? Everywhere good.
Your queen day with you, no worry.
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender.
I can't wait to finally be crowned the queen of this kingdom.
Is that right?
Chika! Chika, what is going on? Are you insane? What's the meaning of this?
Don't you dare pretend to me. Don't you dare. You killed my boss.
What are you talking about?
Yes. Ask your daughter. Ask your daughter. She killed my boss.
Are you out of your mind? How dare you walk in here and make such accusation?
Scorpion is dead.
What? Scorpion is dead?
Why would she kill her helper? I don't understand. Make it make sense.
She killed Scorpion because Scorpion is sleeping with her mother.
Mom!
Useless family.
Hate you. I hate you. So this is it. This is the reason you killed my father. So you can have the liberty of sleeping around with different men. Really?
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, it's gonna be.
Scorpion, sting me more with your venom, for I have got your antidote. Come and give it to me again.
Are you sure you can handle more?
Yes. Yes. You know I can handle it. Come on, come and sting me more. You know you are such a gentleman.
I know that. But I stink. And that's why they call me Scorpion.
I know. And you are so hard. Hard and very strong.
You can say that again.
So tell me, Scorpion, how did you meet my daughter? And how did you guys become friends?
On a flight to Abuja.
On a flight? Really?
Hello.
Boss, he did too much. Boss, Impiazo was on Galon. Boss, I trust you. Try. I trust you, boss.
Scorpion, thank you so much. Do call me, okay? Please.
Mama.
Hey.
Mama, we're okay. Mama, we're sweet. We're sweet past anything.
Scorpion, stop. Hey. Oh.
Mama.
I can hear my daughter's voice. Is that my angel? Angel! She's back? Angel! Mom, my darling. Angel, you're back?
Mom, I'm back.
My baby. How you doing now?
Okay.
Yes, your friend came by, to say hello.
You didn't tell me you were coming.
It was an emergency. Ayana, my baby, see you.
Why so soon?
A man got to be a man and get things to do. Running out of time. Mama.
Scorpion.
Ayana.
All right.
My baby.
Bye.
Boss, he did too much.
Correct, ma. Correct, ma.
Boss, he did too much.
Oh, Claire. Cigar.
I am not going to release this throne. It belongs to my family.
My princess, you cannot be the queen of this kingdom, according to our tradition.
Then who will be the king?
As it stands, that boy is supposed to be the king. He is notorious, but...
But what?
What is going on? What is going on?
Where is that useless idiot? A woman can never sit on the throne of our kingdom. Mamono no desaja poala. That you are a soldier with guns does not mean you are untouchable. Show your ugly face, bitch. I am here to take what rightfully belongs to me. And that's all. Hey.
Collins, you are a bastard. Think you can take what does not belong to you. You must be a fool.
Nice one. But a woman can never become king. Ow! Bastard. How much juju you do? Where they go? Military my foot. No be you be this. No be you. If you reach a fire, greet Tupac for me. Hell Notorious B.I.G. too. Who be this? I think say una get power. Where una go now?
Where you go now? Not too fast, my baby. I mean, come out. Come out, let's fight woman to woman now. Where you can't go? Hey, come out, father!
Nonsense. Everybody get up.
Get up! They say get up!
Come inside the door. Look at that. Imagine, 2 people are sitting there, 2 people are sitting here. Why? Is this your father's house? Shameless elders. Okay, why then will you allow a female to sit on this throne? You all are useless elders. But that's by the way. I am here to take what rightfully belongs to me. So you people will crown me king today. Are we on the same page?
Babe, what's keeping us now? Let them proceed with the coronation. I mean, we need to be made king and queen of this kingdom.
I want your mom to be around. She's on her way.
Oh. I see. You want her to witness our coronation. Nice.
I am coming.
I was shot. What happened?
You are stronger than you think. No bullet can penetrate you. As long as you are with me, you will come back and tell your story.
Who are you and why did you save me? Mother! Father!
They sent me to help you.
You're almost there. Do not give up.
Yes, we are with you. We are leading you. Act fast before it's too late.
Yes. Act fast.
kill everybody. This one a military regime wey no need military uniform. You all will remain standing. Nobody moves, nobody sits. Una dey here until the arrival of my mother because she needs to witness me become queen. E clear? Yes. Rubbish. Here comes the mother of the queen. Mom, you're here.
Yes, Chika. Collins, let's do the needful now.
Welcome, Mom. Today you're going to witness the crowning of your daughter as queen.
Not so fast, Chika.
What are you talking about?
I am the one that will be coronated today. Yes, I will be the queen. Chika, you know you are not my daughter. I am not your biological mother. I married your father. He already had a wife and a daughter, which is you. I killed them both and I took you as a daughter. But you are not my daughter. Yes, I will be made queen today. I had an agreement. That was why I healed Collins for the throne. I will be the queen of this great kingdom. Now that you have been healed and fortified, sweet boy, I hope you will not disappoint me or betray me.
I won't betray you.
Why I am asking is because betrayal means death. You see, I killed Chika's father, my husband, because of his betrayal. He was very promiscuous in nature, sleeping with anything in his skirt. He was doubting me, doubting my calling, assaulting. I killed him in his sleep. If you say you will not betray me, do me a favor. Place your hand on my chin and take an oath of allegiance.
I swear, I will not betray you. I will make you my queen and spend the rest of my life with you.
Oh, sweet boy. That's very sweet of you. My spirit accepts it. Ah, that's good. Yes, we are together. Ah, sweet boy.
You bastard! After everything I've done for you, I made sure you were freed from prison. I risked it all. I fought side by side with you to make sure you conquered. And this is how you pay me back. This is how you pay me back, Collins. This is what you have to pay me back.
What were you thinking? You were busy fornicking with your ex. You didn't knock your ex, still won't keep me. You are too small for such games. I took my chances on your mom or whatever. If now you be me, you go marry your character. No. So vamos.
Chika, he says vamos. So vamos. Collins, let's do the needful now.
You too, you are vamoosing because you can't be my queen. You blind seer. You are too old for this game.
Collins, what are you talking about? We have an agreement.
I cannot keep to such agreement. Ekago, my real queen is on her way. You too, vamoose.
Collins, what did you do?
I fortified myself more. You think I will be doing this empty-handed?
what you know,
I know.
Women. So because he don't favor you again, now he make you offer. Because she's not your biological mom, is that why you offed her?
After everything I did for you.
After all I sacrificed for you. After all my labor to save you.
Laborer.
You think you can just use me and dump me? You're dreaming.
5,000 of your type cannot stop me from becoming king. And don't waste your bullet because it won't penetrate.
You
and
think
that
so?
means I will strangle you to death.
You think so?
Nobody can stop me from becoming king.
I will. I warned you. I told you that as long as I'm alive, you will never be king. For killing my family. For everyone you took their lives. Collins, you will rot in hell. This is for you.
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness.
Greetings, elders of our land.
Greetings, our princess.
My elders, my fellow elders, today is a great day in our kingdom. My princess, we are changing the tradition of our land. We don't have any other choice or option. You have fought like a gallant soldier that you are. You defeated our arch enemy. You brought peace and happiness back to our land. So we all agreed that we will have to crown you the queen of our land.
Let's proceed.
Of course.
Obiora. My goodness. Bring him in.
Greetings, my elders.
Greetings, our prince. You're welcome to your father's land.
Obiora. Obiora.
Oh,
sweet. You are alive. My goodness. I thought he shot you. I searched all over the place for your corpse. What happened?
Just today, the doctor said I sneezed back to life.
Hey! The gods of our land are active. The gods are wise.
I did not know anything that happened. All I could remember was Collins holding everyone hostage.
Try! Collins, you will never rest in peace.
You see?
You know, that idiot killed our parents, Onowu and the chief guard.
He killed a lot of people that day. Hey!
But thank God we are fine today. I have avenged. Yes. And yes, my brother is alive.
I'm so happy to see you.
Same here. You know, this calls for celebration.
Exactly.
You know what, elders of our land? We are going to postpone the coronation, pending when my brother recovers.
You are
all right?
speaking well, my princess.
Exactly.
So, who is this man?
He's the doctor that took care of me.
Oh, thank you so much. You know what? Henceforth, you are going to be our family doctor.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm just doing my job. Saving lives is our priority. Really
Too
appreciate
much.
it.
You're welcome. You're welcome, eh?
Just doing our job.
My brother is alive! Yes. My brother is back! Yes! Yes! This calls for celebration, like I said.
Yeah. Today is a long awaited day. My prince. I want to sing Ganiru. Go ahead.
I know.
By the power vested on me as the Onowu of Ama Kingdom, today I crown you Igwe Obiora of Ama Kingdom. Crown you in Eke, Norie, Nanfo, Nankwo. Tony Igwe! Igwe! This is your first.
Igwe, Omeka Nea, live forever.
Ama Kingdom kwenu!
Yeah!
Ama Kingdom kwenu!
Yeah!
Ama Kingdom kwenu!
My elders, I'm so elated today to witness this great day. And we shall celebrate today in a grand style.
Exactly.
Let us proceed, please.
Lieutenant Joe, are you okay? Mr. Joe! Lieutenant Joe! What's going on here? Is this a coup? Is this a setup? You guys are supposed to be working for me. What's going on? I need answers.
Lieutenant, marry me, please. I want you to marry me and be the mother of my children. My heart beats for you. I longed to have you in my life forever. Be everything to me. Marry me.
Mr. Joe. Oh my goodness. This is a surprise. I never saw this coming. Yes, I'll marry you. Hello.
I love you so much. Thank you.
I love you too.
Come on.
Long live your majesty. Your majesty, may you live long.
Your majesty. I'm going to Toyota.
Live forever. You see, elders.
Thank you, your majesty.
We will miss you.
I will miss you too.
I will definitely miss you, my queen.
Please do take care of my sister-in-law. She's the only one I have.
As always, I will.
And please do not involve yourself in strenuous chores, okay? Because of your condition.
Yeah, she won't.
I promise I won't.
See you at the wedding.
Sure. Yes, we'll definitely be in Abuja before the date.
And I'll be waiting.
Please take care of yourself and the kingdom.
Make sure you take care of yourself, okay?
Okay.
Gunshot salute for the king! Salute!
Brutality, rugged faces, no retreat, no surrender. When ruggedity meets wickedness, it's gonna be a bloody war in a way. Brutality, rugged faces.